When it comes, guys, to answering questions about quadratics, which include diagrams in our exam, understanding this key skill is going to be key. Let's have a look. The question says, given the following sketch of y equals x squared plus 7x plus 12, solve. X squared plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now, we know how to solve quadratics by now. We can use the quadratic formula, we can factorize them, we can complete the square. In this case, x squared plus 7x plus 12, we would probably factorize it. Why? Because it's not too bad to factorize. We could find two numbers which multiply to give 12 and to give 7, and it really wouldn't be too bad. However, in this example, it does say given the following sketch. Given the following sketch of y equals x squared plus 7x plus 12, solve x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals 0. What we see, guys, is that the x section of the quadratic here above, x squared plus 7x plus 12, is actually the same as down here, x squared plus 7x plus 12. In the first case, it's equal to y. In the second case, it's equal to 0. So what can we do? To solve this quadratic, guys, we can simply take the x-intercepts of the quadratic down here. We've simply swapped the y for 0, so we want the values of x when y is equal to 0. We can see from the diagram that when y is equal to 0, when we're 0 units up or down, the values of x are -4 and -3. So the solutions to this are going to be x equals -4 or x equals -3. Now, when it comes to using this in exams, guys, it's often going to be the case that we have decimal solutions or fraction solutions. For example, we could have been given x-intercepts here of -0.7 and -0.2. That is going to be the case in which using the diagram is really handy for solving them. I use this example so that you could see that it checks out if you did solve it by factorizing, using the formula, completing the square, whichever method you prefer. But in general, what is the key lesson here? The key lesson here, guys, is going to be the fact that when it comes to solving a quadratic, we can use the sketch. The solutions are going to be the x-intercepts of that quadratic.